Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear pupils and viewers, welcome to my online class. Hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. My dear friends, today I will discuss on some rules of articles. Please look at the board, please. When we use the amount of or the number of after these phrases, we don't use the article. But when we make a unit by using by preposition, we use the article after the preposition by plus the plus unit of measurement. For example, I was surprised at the amount of money collected. Look at the board. The amount after the amount of, we have not used the article before money. The number of unemployed is rising steadily. After the number of, we have not used the article I mean before unemployed. Do you sell eggs by the kilo or by the dozen? When we make a unit by using using by using a preposition by, we use the article after the by. Do you sell eggs by the kilo or by the dozen? After by, we have used the article before the unit kilo here. But after the preposition by, we have used the article before the unit of measurements. In this sentence, we don't use plural units. We don't use dozens. He sits watching TV by the hour. We have after by preposition, we have used the article before the unit. We cannot write hours. The plurals of unit. Can I pay by the month? After by, we have used the article before the unit month. We don't write the plurals of the unit months. I was surprised at the amount. When we get any possessive adjective or demonstrative adjective created from pronoun, pronominal adjective, we have not used the article before or after them. But when we want to make possessive definite, the possessive noun definite, we use the article before the possessive noun. For example, this is my uncle. My is a possessive adjective here. We have not used any article before or after my possessive adjective. Is that Jaiska? That is the demonstrative adjective here, and we have not used before or after that demonstrative adjective. I like this boy. This word is a demonstrative adjective here. We have not used the article before this possessive adjective, before or after this possessive adjective. The coat that belongs to John. We can write this in a such way. We have not used any article before them or after them. John's coat. The economic problems of America, we can write in this way. America's economic problems. We have not used the article before or after them. But the wife of the boss, we can make boss definite by using the before the boss noun possessive adjective, noun possessive adjective, noun as adjective, noun possessive adjective, by using the article by. The boss wife. When we get any magazine's name, company's name, sports name, cape's name, we don't use any articles before them, and before the weather and English noun, we don't use a or an article. For example, Times Magazine, New Scientist, Dhaka Digest, they are magazine's names. Microsoft, Sony, company's name, cricket, football, sports name, Cape Comorin, Cape of Good Hope, Cape's name. We don't use any article before them. We are having terrible weather. We have not used a or an article before the word weather. She speaks very good English. We have not used a or an article before English. When by society, by the word society, when we mean in general society, we don't use the article before the word society. But when we mean definite society, we have used we use the article before the word society. For example, it is not always easy to fit in with society. And by this word society, we mean general society. So we have not used any the article before the word society. I have joined the local dramatic society. This is a definite society, so we have used the article before the local democratic society. My dear friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Amin Khan's method to learn English easily and deeply for any competitive admission or job test or exams. No more today. Fi amanillah. Good night.